Picture this, it's Monday morning. Your alarm rings, but instead of feeling that familiar rush of stress, you feel a deep sense of peace. There's no boss waiting for you, no need to rush out the door, and no more asking for permission to live your life. You're not suddenly rich, but you're prepared. Today, we're diving into how to prepare to quit your job the smart way. Not emotionally, not impulsively, but with a clear, strategic plan. Because true financial freedom isn't about quitting your job on a whim, it's about replacing your paycheck and building a life on your own terms. Start with a story. There was a hardworking, ambitious guy who hated his 9-to-5 job. Every day he told himself, one day I'll quit. But one day turned into 5 years. Why? Because he had no plan. He relied on a single income source, had no investment system, no emergency fund, and no cash flow assets. The truth is, he didn't hate his job, he hated being dependent on it. Here, what nobody tells you, you don't quit your job when you're tired. You quit when you're prepared, and preparation comes in 5 stages, each building your path to real freedom. Before you even think about quitting, you need to know your financial number. How much do you need each month just to survive? Not for luxury or dreams, just the basics. For example, rent might be $800, food $400, utilities $200, insurance $200, and miscellaneous $400. That totals $2,000 per month or $24,000 per year. Here, the key: don't quit your job until your investments or business can consistently generate that amount. This is your freedom number. Without it, you're just guessing, and guessing with your future is dangerous. Many people underestimate the importance of knowing their exact financial needs. If you don't have a clear number, you're making decisions based on hope, not facts. This can lead to unnecessary stress and setbacks. By identifying your freedom number, you're setting a concrete target. This number becomes your guide, helping you measure progress and make smarter choices as you prepare to leave your job. Remember, clarity is power when it comes to financial freedom. Quitting your job without savings is like gambling with your future. You need a financial runway, 6 to 12 months of living expenses saved up. In our example, that's $12,000 to $24,000 minimum. Think of this as your safety net. If your new business or investments don't take off immediately, you won't crash, you'll glide. This runway buys you peace of mind, confidence, and time to experiment. Freedom without savings is just another form of stress, so make sure you're protected before you take the leap. Having a financial runway isn't just about survival, it's about giving yourself the freedom to make better decisions. When you're not desperate for your next paycheck, you can take calculated risks, try new things, and focus on building something sustainable. This cushion allows you to transition smoothly without the constant pressure of making ends meet. It's one of the smartest moves you can make on your journey to financial independence. Here, where most people go wrong, they quit first, then scramble to build income. Instead, reverse the process. Start building income streams while you're still employed. This could be freelancing, YouTube automation, e-commerce, dividend investing, crypto staking, real estate cash flow, or consulting. Begin part-time and aim to replace at least 50% of your job income before quitting. For example, if your salary is $4,000 a month, build $2,000 a month in side income first. This momentum reduces fear and builds your confidence as you see money flowing in from outside your job. When you start earning money outside your regular job, something shifts. You realize you're not entirely dependent on your employer. This new income stream, even if it's small at first, gives you the confidence to keep going. It's proof that your skills and ideas have value in the marketplace. The more you build, the less fear you'll feel about leaving your job behind. Let's look at some practical examples of side income you can start today. Freelancing allows you to use your existing skills for extra cash. YouTube automation can generate passive income over time. E-commerce lets you sell products online. Dividend investing and crypto staking provide regular returns. Real estate can offer cash flow, and consulting leverages your expertise. The key is to start small and scale up as you learn what works best for you. Most people fall into the trap of lifestyle inflation. When they start earning more, they spend more: new car, bigger house, expensive habits. But the wealthy do the opposite. They focus on increasing assets before increasing lifestyle. If your expenses stay at $2,000 instead of rising to $4,000, you only need half the passive income to be free. Lowering your burn rate means you can reach financial freedom much faster. This is a powerful mindset shift that can change your entire approach to money. Wealthy individuals understand that true freedom comes from controlling expenses, not just increasing income. By resisting the urge to upgrade your lifestyle every time you get a raise, you keep more money available for investments and asset building. This discipline is what separates those who achieve financial independence from those who remain stuck in the rat race. There's a big difference between working for money and having money work for you. Building assets is the key to lasting financial freedom. Assets can include index funds, rental properties, dividend stocks, scalable businesses, digital products, or equity in startups. Look at people like Warren Buffett. He doesn't work for a paycheck. His assets generate billions every year. Or think about companies like Apple, where the system produces money, not just the CEO's time. Your goal is to create systems that generate income, even when you're not actively working. It's important to understand that not all income is created equal. Working for a paycheck means trading time for money. Building assets means creating streams of income that flow whether you're working or not. This is the foundation of true financial independence. Focus on acquiring and growing assets that can support you long-term. Systems are what separate the financially free from everyone else. When you have systems in place like automated investments, rental properties, or digital products, you're no longer tied to your job for income. These systems keep working for you, generating money even when you're sleeping or on vacation. That's the real secret to financial freedom. Now let's talk about the emotional side of quitting your job. The goal isn't to escape your job out of frustration, it's to build leverage and quit with confidence. True freedom isn't about quitting fast, it's about quitting when you're ready. When you wake up and realize your investments cover your expenses, that's when you resign, not from anger but from a place of power and security. Quitting your job should never be an impulsive decision. When you've built your financial foundation, you can leave your job on your own terms. This confidence comes from knowing you're prepared, not just hoping things will work out. It's a powerful feeling to resign because you're ready, not because you're desperate. The real mindset shift is about leverage. Don't just aim to escape your job, aim to build systems and assets that give you options. Leverage means having the freedom to choose how you spend your time without being tied to a paycheck. This is the essence of financial independence. Let's recap the first step: know your number. This is your baseline, the amount you need each month to cover your essential expenses. Take the time to calculate this accurately. It's the foundation for every other decision you'll make on your journey to financial freedom. The second step is building your runway. Save up 6 to 12 months of living expenses before making any big moves. This safety net gives you the confidence and flexibility to pursue new opportunities without the constant pressure of financial insecurity. Step 3 is all about creating income streams. Don't wait until after you quit, start building side income now. Whether it's freelancing, investing, or starting a small business, the goal is to have money coming in from multiple sources before you leave your job. Controlling your lifestyle is the fourth step. Resist the urge to spend more as you earn more. Keeping your expenses low means you need less passive income to achieve freedom. This discipline accelerates your journey and keeps you focused on your long-term goals. The final step is to build lasting assets. Focus on investments and businesses that generate income without your constant effort. These assets are the true source of financial freedom, allowing you to step away from your job with confidence. It's tempting to want to quit your job as soon as possible, but patience is key. Building financial freedom takes time and careful planning. Rushing the process can lead to setbacks and unnecessary stress. Focus on steady progress and celebrate each milestone along the way. Every step you take towards financial independence is a victory. Whether it's saving your first $1,000, landing a freelance client, or investing in your first asset, these small wins add up. Recognize your progress and use it as motivation to keep moving forward. Many people make the mistake of quitting too soon or without a plan. Others fall into the trap of lifestyle inflation or fail to build multiple income streams. By following the 5 stages outlined here, you can avoid these common pitfalls and set yourself up for lasting success. Consistency is the secret ingredient to achieving financial freedom. It's not about making one big move, but about making small, smart decisions every day. Stick to your plan, review your progress regularly, and adjust as needed. Over time, these consistent actions will lead to big results. Keep track of your financial goals and milestones. Use a spreadsheet, an app, or even a notebook to monitor your savings, income streams, and asset growth. Seeing your progress in black and white can be incredibly motivating and helps you stay focused on your end goal. Life is unpredictable and your financial plan should be flexible. If you encounter setbacks or unexpected expenses, don't panic. Adjust your plan, cut back where you can, and keep moving forward. Flexibility is key to overcoming obstacles on your path to freedom. Building financial freedom often requires learning new skills. Whether it's investing, starting a business, or mastering a side hustle, be open to growth and education. The more skills you have, the more opportunities you'll find to create income and build assets. Don't underestimate the power of networking. Connecting with others who are on a similar journey can open doors to new opportunities, partnerships, and ideas. Surround yourself with people who support your goals and can offer valuable advice along the way. Failure is a natural part of the journey to financial freedom. Not every investment or side hustle will succeed, and that's okay. Learn from your mistakes, adjust your strategy, and keep moving forward. Every setback is a lesson that brings you closer to your goal. Motivation can waver, especially when progress feels slow. Remind yourself why you started this journey. Visualize the freedom and peace you're working towards. Celebrate your progress and stay focused on your long-term vision. Having a support system can make all the difference. Share your goals with trusted friends or family members who can encourage you and hold you accountable. Consider joining online communities or mastermind groups to stay inspired and connected. Set aside time each month to review your financial progress. Look at your savings, income streams, and asset growth. Celebrate what's working and identify areas for improvement. Regular reviews keep you on track and help you make smarter decisions. Discipline is essential for building financial freedom. Stick to your budget, avoid unnecessary expenses, and stay committed to your plan. The sacrifices you make now will pay off in the long run, giving you the freedom and flexibility you desire. Don't forget to celebrate your milestones along the way. Each achievement, no matter how small, is a step closer to your goal. Recognizing your progress keeps you motivated and reminds you that your hard work is paying off. Distractions are everywhere, but staying focused on your financial goals is crucial. Set clear priorities, eliminate unnecessary commitments, and keep your eyes on the prize. The more focused you are, the faster you'll reach financial freedom. Change is inevitable, and your financial journey will have ups and downs. Be willing to adapt your plan as needed. Stay flexible, keep learning, and embrace new opportunities as they arise. Adaptability is a key trait of those who achieve lasting freedom. Continuous education is vital for building and maintaining financial freedom. Stay informed about new investment opportunities, business trends, and personal finance strategies. The more you know, the better equipped you'll be to make smart decisions. Investing in yourself is one of the best decisions you can make. Take courses, read books, and seek out mentors who can help you grow. The skills and knowledge you gain will pay dividends for years to come, both financially and personally. Inspiration fuels your journey to financial freedom. Surround yourself with stories of people who have achieved what you're working towards. Let their successes remind you that your goals are possible, and use their journeys as motivation to keep going. Take time to visualize your future life of freedom. Imagine waking up without stress, spending your days as you choose, and having the financial security to support your dreams. This vision will keep you motivated and focused, even when challenges arise. Financial freedom isn't a fantasy, it's a formula. Know your number, build your runway, create income streams, control your lifestyle, and build assets. Don't rush to quit your job tomorrow. Instead, start building your freedom today. When the time comes, you won't need motivation, you'll have preparation and confidence on your side. Remember, financial freedom is within your reach. With the right plan, discipline, and mindset, you can prepare to quit your job and build a life on your own terms. Start today, stay consistent, and watch as your efforts transform your future. Every journey begins with a single step. Take action today, calculate your freedom number, start saving, and explore new income opportunities. The sooner you start, the sooner you'll experience the peace and confidence that come with true financial independence.